Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about your father and mother. First, what's your father's mother's name? My mother's name is, for example, my father's name is Wee. My mother's name is Lan. Second, how old is your father, mother? He or she is 30, 40, 45 years old. For example, my father is 45 years old. My mother is 40 years old. Third one, what does your father or mother do? Job. He or she is a teacher, a doctor, a farmer, an engineer. For example, my father is a teacher. My mother is a nurse. Fourth, what does your father or mother look like? He or she is tall, short, slim, beautiful, handsome. For example, my father is tall and strong. My mother is slim and beautiful. Fifth, what is your father's or mother's hobby? He or she likes reading books, cooking, gardening, watching TV. For example, my father likes watching football. My mother likes cooking. Sixth, what do you often do with your father or mother? I often watch TV, go shopping, cook meals, play sports with him or her. For example, I often watch TV with my father. I often cook meals with my mother. 7. Why do you love your father or mother? I love my father or mother because he or she takes care of me. He or she is kind. He or she works hard. For example, I love my father because he always helps me with my study. I love my mother because she takes care of me every day. So that is all about your father and mother. Thank you.